June 2007 na Apple for release your first iPhone. iPhone na ni din your friend iPhone 1 and iPhone 2. Your friend iPhone na ni din iPhone. Na first iPhone no na ne chipset na Samsung phone na chipset na ma Apple for at the same time so no phone ne boss started free $500. $500 and can sika na ka de ba $50 million. Back camera no kwa de wo. Front camera ni ba na ne boy $500. Next certificate $500. $500 near 4 gig. The internal near 4 gig, 8 gig, pay 8 gig never cost row and a 16 gig and also a 4 gig, 8 gig and 16 gig. And $500 now can $50 million. First iPhone and Cassia now $50 million. It means iPhone 13 and iPhone 14 in the next 18 years, iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 no ukita 1.2 hour betimi atobi ena the next year in July 2008 July that's month no 2008 and I'm releasing iPhone 3G by iPhone 3G and so starting free $600 and then also the internal near 8 gig and 16 gig. And so front camera ede enim intimi twa video so e fasa de so intuitive sana for back so intimi twa video we so intimi twa video next at $600 ni 8 gig na 8 gig ni $600 inti 16 gig na obeton more than 90k cc a nka beton 60 million. Netherlands na kabetoni 16 million. And the same iPhone so no na Samsung phone na chipset na ede MoMo. And RAM no so na 128 megabyte. 128 megabyte. It's iPhone 2 amba, iPhone 3G no. iPhone 3G ni chere say obetimi o network no be 3G, but first iPhone dey untimi ya 3G and no 3G network ni. The following iPhone dey 3G, intina mo 3G ni dem buy. Ten also network na be 3G. iPhone 3GS no. That's 209 normally the iPhone 3GS no. And also okita $600, that's 60 million now be nya. Inti e Honda iPhone 4 year first 32 gig. Inti first 32 gig, into 8 gig, 16 gig, na 32 gig, that's iPhone 3GS no. Front camera ni na Samsung for so na yes a chipset ni ede MoMo. 2010 na Apple for release iPhone 4 by iPhone 4 no the Apple phone no ankasa na omo yo omo chipset. Sa phone ni the Apple phone ankasa na omo yo omo chipset. And a phone is certificate $600, that's 60 million sa there. And back on 3GS na net na. And iPhone 4 no the front camera room at the same time switching the trap video front camera na back camera room. Now at the same time so no now RAM near 512 megabyte RAM near 512 megabyte. October 2011 na iPhone 4S by iPhone 4S and so in the specs no in the go na $650 no ubenya 8 gig 16 gig 32 gig na 64 gig intimi say okay 64 gig open means open 64 gig na beton bia be $800 for the bagana scammer, that's 80 million. And the iPhone 4S no atisia na okita bia 80 series obetenya bi no na the price na omoton be 60 million na 70 million into more respectful kakra. And na September 2012 na Apple for release iPhone 5 by na iPhone 5 no started free $650, that's 65 million na. And then so na Apple 4 year 1 gig RAM na RAM near 1 gig more free 512 megabyte they call 1 gig internet no RAM near 1 gig. Into iPhone 5 near 16 gig 32 gig na 64 gig and so both front and back camera ni na ide ewom tie so betimi atwa video and a pictures. Following year na call iPhone 5C. iPhone 5C ni so na kwakwa to say iPhone 5 na iPhone 5C na kwakwa say iPhone 5 na but just iPhone 5C no kra no bi nya colors bebre ye ewom. Into 2013 na the iPhone 5 first by Honda Apple 4 year almost face fingerprint phone, that's iPhone 5 no and a ring won fin no. And then also the RAM near 1 gig RAM na 16 gig 32 gig na 64 gig a certificate $650, that's 65 million. CCS kano 65 million na next starting free into minutes up 32 gig between a ton e be $700, that's 70 million. That's iPhone 5S na CC amount for use no na the bono no but CC no iPhone 5S look at 200 series 100 series krana I think so be nyabi. 2014 na Apple for release iPhone 6 and so fingerprint phone na at the same time so na starting free $650 no with the bagana sikama, that's 65 million. 2 per gig na 16 gig 32 gig na 64 gig at the same time so 128 gig until open 128 gig na by chipset in the mostly hana menka until okay screen is almost a chipset in the phone no medina se ho na nti betimi ahwe chipset na satan no de ye phone no pa ya te ase ha se the video ni betimi content mama no to hwe video into hwe screen so a na wa order wa subscribe afem hakaka the same year na no musa release iPhone 6 Plus the same year na September 2014 no the same year na mo release iPhone 6 Plus no akwa specs na akwa ti say iPhone 6 na eno na je say ni screen no so chain the screen is so chain iPhone 6 you know and the battery no so e wo no mu chain iPhone 6 no but ya tell say and the only difference ha na ne wo the screen is so chain no and also na wo fingerprint at the same time as a phone is starting for $750 all the back and scam say na 75 million iPhone 6 Plus no o mu release buy no 2014 no na the price no is starting for 75 million 128 gig no between 120 million patriarchal say but since iPhone 6 Plus no I mean most amount for car ton be wa ton 400 cities 500 600 cities so patriarchal iPhone 6 Plus no me so ya na mo respecting kakra 2015 na Apple for release iPhone 6 buy and the first time first 12 megapixels camera into 12 megapixels na nkasa no e yes iPhone 13 na man 12 megapixels iPhone 14 no de call 48 megapixels battery at say anti iPhone 6s no de 12 megapixels na start here 12 megapixels na RAM ni 2 gig na phone is start to $650 and so fingerprinted e iPhone 6s no see no iOS 16 and can about to install iOS 15 they account and so internal 16 gig 32 gig 64 gig in a 128 gig iPhone 6s Plus on 6 Plus and a 6s Plus and a 6 internal so the difference when they say the battery was so high iPhone 6s and at the same time so screen here but ni na specs ni na the same nti difference and at the same time so iPhone 6s Plus and the surprise is $750 out the baganes come be 75 million. I mean, yana video into me and content me my 2016 number the iPhone SE buy and it's $400 net 2 gig RAM na 12 megapixels 2016 iPhone 7 buy iPhone 7 buy and also 12 megapixels 2 gig RAM and also 65 million and also the gig near 32 gig in a 128 gig in a 256 to be iPhone 7 and a 7 Plus no ka so ton na 64 gig or iPhone 6 iPhone 7 and 7 Plus no 64 gig in iPhone 7 na Apple for year IP67 and the Enquiries protection that's water resistant no water resistant and waterproof my video about me my water resistant then waterproof no obetima kwa check out our video na better description so the same year na no year 7 Plus buy phone 7 so no starting fee $700 that's 70 million and so 12 megapixels IP67 no year iPhone 8 buy 3 gig RAM that's 12 megapixels fingerprint na wireless charging no na IP67 water resistant no and also starting free $800 that's over Ghana scam CC and that's 80 million into normal year 64 gig na 256 gig into the actual iPhone X in a $33,000 that's 100 million or the Ghana scam CC 100 million in iPhone X in a 64 gig in a 256 gig in Cabeton be 120 billion this is an iPhone X in a setting and a 2018 about XL 3 gig RAM that's IP resistant in the womb na and also 12 megapixels na specifications in the Google one mommy to me the video buy a BitAfrika so Ghana hana person the mobile monitor Bitcoin be a USDT because it will be what the boost anywhere broche a person sending this guy the boost any crypto account until you are sending the USDT and a Bitcoin address at their mano or Ghana person sending this guy and any panel we boost anywhere broche no crypto account until or BitAfrika account no one say what copy or Bitcoin address no paste now their mano paste the mana or send this kind of to be the 15 minutes 10 minutes now scan or scanner will be to me withdraw the mobile money very simple but you 2 videos about BitAfrika me leave this video no at the description to beat me up also or check how be first create BitAfrika account and I the keka account piano neighbor iPhone XX Max and so 12 megapixels na front camera near 7 megapixels and na RAM near 4 gig na 64 gig and then so 256 gig and 512 gig. That's iPhone XX, you know. The same year now no iPhone XX Max and also the same specifications na but you have to say XX Max, you know. iPhone XX Max battery no was so chain iPhone X na the screen is so chain iPhone X, you know. Ntakwa say iPhone 6 na 6 Plus na omoye bana 2019 Apple for release iPhone 11 na Face ID wom to say iPhone X and so Face ID wom sa and then so 4 gig RAM na 12 megapixels front and say na 12 megapixels internal 64 gig 128 256 gig and so and start to 70 million and gig in equal and it's a bonus because na 2019 one so na Apple for release iPhone 11 Pro na 11 Pro Max and so starting free until 11 Pro no so starting $3,000 but you have to say 11 Pro no starting $3,000 4 gig RAM 12 megapixels and so ne cameras in neighbor H3 no 12 front na Face ID IP68 that's water resistant, no. iPhone 11 Pro na 11 Pro Max na kwa say iPhone 6 Plus na 7 Plus na the same thing na kwa XX na XX Max na into the case and so the battery no was show and no specifications no ensure new screen chain we be ni na the same but just screen is so chain back on and at the same time so no the battery no why didn't chain back on 11 Pro na 11 Pro Max no sanity. Apple for so be release iPhone SE 2020 iPhone SE 2020 is so 3 gig RAM that's 12 megapixels na 7 and I know the other fingerprint and also water resistant yes into your next one no. Next one here iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 mini na iPhone 12 and also 12 Pro Max na 12 Pro no 6 gig RAM on 12 Pro ni na so support 5G till bitimi abo video ni kaka na all specifications na me dey go on 2021 September and buy iPhone 13 so 4 gig RAM 12 megapixels and then also Face ID na so 5G the same 2021 one na release iPhone 13 Pro na 13 Pro Max 13 Pro na 13 Pro Max ni na the same but just a 13 Pro no screen is na 13 Pro Max ni screen was so and at the same time so battery no I got to say almost say the omoye lineup no sana etie na iPhone 14 Pro Max na 14 Pro Max na normal 48 megapixels na some 12 megapixels na crash detection na the tech can be pre but you have to say the specifications they go on nti sanity nti Apple for him merchant Apple for start 207 almost start iPhone na hwe ne bo na utumu say they bo no confirm nti so person won to iPhone 13 Pro Max na person won to ni bia be 400 and patcho ubetimi atwen be next 13 years na 14 years ne bo no be perform pa bichi this video be bo follow techintwi on Facebook YouTube and subscribe channel me the videos we prepare me the videos who here we gonna help you out bia unim adena wo ye no